Bilco RK116 is the crane truck. Number 19, Adfield Corporation LYNX 160 RK116 Kubilco is the crane truck. Kubilco from Adfield Corporation. Roof thinner crane truck. Right about there is the roof thinner crane truck. Is the right around there is the roof thinner crane truck. Is the 16 tons. Is the crane truck. Kubilco Adfield Corporation. Right around there is the Kubilco. Right around there is the Kubilco RK year 1995. Is the Kubilco RK116 crane truck. Right around there is the Kubilco Good Day. Is number 19. Right around there is the crane truck. Right around there is the Kubilco RK116. Is the right around there is the Kubilco RK116. Is the crane truck. Crane truck Kubilco. Roof thinner crane truck. Is the roof thinner crane truck. Is the orange. Right around there is the Kubilco RK116. Is the orange. Right around there is the Kubilco RK116. Is the orange. And 5, and right around there is the Kubilco RK116. Is the orange. Is the right around there in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.